Hey guys, welcome to Next Gen Tech. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description box below for deals and discounts.
Today we're going to be repairing a Nintendo Switch. It is not reading the game properly. Let's put it in here and see what it says. Game card cannot be read. Please remove and reinsert. Okay, so it looks like the game card reader is probably bad. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this thing apart, put a new game card reader in it. Start by removing the Joy-Cons. Take a Phillips screwdriver. On this side here where the charging port is, I'm going to remove 2 Phillips screws. Flip it over. There should be one right there, but it's missing. And over to the side, I'm going to remove the middle Phillips screw on both sides. And I think I'm also going to just power it off. So now I'm going to turn it on its back. And I'm going to remove the SD card. There's 1 Phillips screw here. And there's 4 tri-wing screws. Okay, so this should come apart now. So we're going to start with taking this Phillips screw out here. That's for the SD card reader. It just unplugs like that right there. Now we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws out. All right, now that we're inside of it, I'm just going to kind of knock some of the dirt out of it. All right, so the part we're going to be replacing is this part right here, is the card reader and the headphone jack. So we're going to remove these 2 Phillips screws here. And 1 Phillips screw here. I'm going to take a nylon spudger. I'm just going to pop this little connector up. Like that. And there's one right under here I've got to get. There we go. Pull this wire back. And very gently pull that out of there. And we're going to put a new one in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these 3 screws back in place. Alright, so now we'll actually go ahead and turn it back on, see if the game reader works. Alright, so now that we've got it partially back together, we're going to put the card in it and see if it actually reads the game. And it looks like it's going to. Alright, so it looks like it's reading the game just fine. So we're going to go back to putting it back together. Remove the Joy-Cons. Remove the game for now. So now we're going to put the SD card reader back on. And now we're going to put the actual back on it. We'll start by putting the 2 Phillips screws back in here. We'll put the 2 Phillips that go on the sides back in. On this side. Right, now we'll flip it over and put the 4 tri-wing screws back in it. And I'll put the last screw in it right here. And that's how you replace the game card reader on a Nintendo Switch.